Okay, so to answer your question, I'm going to go back up here to the beginning. So let's say I logged into my Zoom account. This is the paid version. I'll go down here to my settings. Move this out the way real quick. And what I want to do is, once I get into my settings, I'm going to look for security, which is the first choice. I'm going to scroll down till I get to waiting room. Waiting room options. I'm going to click on edit options. Check mark that. Click continue. And it saves the setting. And in that way, the computer that's doing the actual hosting will send the people into the back into the waiting room. But if the other computer is co-hosting, the meeting still will be continuing, because as long as it's a host and co-host, one or the other could still conduct the meeting. Answer that question. And that's it.